All right, so we're changing just the door. Pretty straightforward. You're going to have two tabs. You do have to pull them. You may need a flat blade screwdriver. And you're going to reach down and pry it up. Then push it all the way back before you can do anything. All right, now you're going to be lifting the door like you're closing it. Hold it firmly with two hands because it will want to fall. So you grasp it and lift and secure it. And you basically do the same thing as you insert the other door. When you install or insert the other door, make sure that it is supported. Then as you feel it sitting in, you're going to basically lower it back down so you can release the hinge and then push them forward, and always keep your hands on it to make sure that it is fully seated before you release the door. Pretty straightforward. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Just don't break it. Well, who did it anyway?
One of the kids, I don't know.
Oh, really?